Hello everybody, thanks for joining me again. First thing I'm going to say is thanks Dada for pointing this technique out to me. So I'll leave a link to your page in the description. Everyone who's watching, go and check him out. Okay, so today we're going to be looking at how to make a couple of different sounds. So the first of which is this kind of bubbly noise. Also this kind of, I can only really call it lasery type noise. So very similar, but subtly different. And we can also have something sort of in between the two, sort of more classic FM type sound, if you prefer the dirtier stuff. Okay, so first thing we're going to need is Phaseplant. So let's go to Phaseplant and just go generators, wavetable. Now what we want is just a pure sine. So let's just go here and go Command C to copy, highlight everything, delete, then Command V. So we've got pure sine wave. Oh, by the way, if you're on Windows, that'll be Control C and Control V, I believe. Okay, so done, effects, and then it's power sync. And then what we want, well, it makes a cool thing straight away, kind of bubbly. But the problem is we lose some of the higher frequencies. So let's turn the overlap right up. And as you can see in the harmonic display here, we get some of the higher stuff back. Okay, but then after that, what we're going to do is going to go tilt EQ. Okay, and then on the first frame, we want this as low as it will go. And then on the last frame, I want it as high as it will go. Okay, done. And then just save this. Save. I'm just going to save it as bubble tutorial or something. Okay, perfect. Now we'll just go to Serum. Go and find our wavetable. Okay, so it's quite a interesting table straight off the bat. Let's take it down an octave. Okay, so it's quite good for sort of leads and effects, squelches, all kinds of things. So let's go to about 184. This is sort of my favorite part of the table. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go add remove all except selected. Okay, and then I'm going to duplicate it, remove wav tables, and then I'm going to single, flip vertical, flip horizontal. Okay, so we have two total opposites of each other now. Then morph spectral. So you should now have the more lasery sound and the more bubbly sound, and also sort of more standard FM in between. And of course, just chuck a bandpass on it. Give it some delay. Okay, so if you want to take it one step further as well, we can get some quite interesting results if we get vital and just put the inharmonic mode on, use a bandpass like before, and just use velocity to control the inharmonic warp thing, whatever you call it. And then I've just got autoplay generating some MIDI, and it sounds pretty cool. Kind of nice mixture of some bubbly textures and some glassy textures. So yeah, anyways, I hope you all enjoyed that. Please do go check out Dada's YouTube channel and also his awesome wavetables. Okay, so thanks a lot guys, and I'll see you next time.